Hey, I just want to review this new air fryer that I did receive from a company called Aukey. Just want to show you guys that I really like this air fryer. It's changed the game and the way that I feel about air fryers. So I'm going to show you by unboxing and then making my favorite roasted potatoes. Alright, so I am getting this bad boy out of the box, and I'm just really excited because it has this feature that I believe all air fryers should come with, okay? I was actually in the hunt to find another air fryer, but look, this dream of an air fryer came to me. And again, this video is sponsored, okay? So I'm doing a review, but it is an honest review. Well, I am showing you the components, and I'm getting ready to use it. Don't forget to clean your air fryer before you use it. What I love about this air fryer, it is very easy to clean. It has all the instructions showing you how you want to cook things. I love this touch screen. There is a variety of options to cook, and it's not a noisy appliance. My favorite feature is this. I can just see through it. I love it. Like, if you cut the lights off, it just sets the mood. I mean, you're not gonna cook with the lights off, but unless you want to, I'm just showing you, you know what the effect is. But again, I love that it has a light and window. This is my favorite thing to cook in my air fryer. So here I'm just applying seasoning salt, extra virgin olive oil, and a little bit more seasoning. So with this air fryer, there are no more opening it up and peeking and trying to see what it looks like while it's cooking. Here's the results, you guys. I absolutely love roasted potatoes. I cook mine maybe 20-25 minutes because I like them crunchy, but it's up to you. Just wanted to come on here and share this air fryer that I received. I will link all the information in the description box so you can get one for yourself. Thank you for watching.